Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make this hover state on your design. In the last video we talked about how you can make the hover state, the drop down, but in this one we're going to talk about how you can make hover state on your drop down. Cool. And my name is David and you can call me Drone. Yeah, let's get into it. So now, first of all, I'm going to be talking about very simple method that really works well and makes sense for us to be able to create hover state. Now you want to, have this guy here. This is already a complete of something else. So I'll just copy this guy out, just bring it out here. We use Alt, to make it duplicate or duplicate, then drag it out. Duplicate it, then drag it out. Yeah, or just hold Alt and then drag it out. Same thing. Yeah. So now, what I want to do is, I talked about how you can make hover state with open overlay, so I'm not going to do that anymore in this video. However, if you want to learn about that, you can watch, you know, the description is in the link below. In the link below. Yeah. So what we want to do is make this guy components of each other. So we just get this and make this Control Alt K to make it a component, Control Alt K to make it a component, then get component 2 and 3, and then let me show you on design. Combine as variant becomes component 7. Component name may change. But what we want to do is, this is always overstate, right? Let's make it a overstate. Change the color so it appears as overstate. Remember, just something like this, so we can change it to a different version of this guy. Let's just increase it. Yeah. So users will, yeah, where they are clicking. Cool. So what we want to do is, build interactions between them, right? So first of all, let's make them chips. Yeah, if you want to learn how to make chips, like the off and on switches here, check in the link in the description. You will see one link here. I talk about it there. So I'll just change this guy here to hover state, and then make this false, and make this guy true. Sorry, yeah, true. Then I will copy this guy, use Alt, drag it out. Cool, and we already have our chips. Awesome, right? Note, this is important. This is 3 million. This is one of the most. If this you don't learn anything, learn one. This is like a very important thing. This is just important. Make sure the name is the same. Like, just make sure the name between the two components are the same thing. It's very important. I think if it's the same, Figma gets understand. Figma as a tool gets understand that these are relating to each other better, right? But make it the same. I have lost my way, gone mad, searching everywhere just because I didn't know that I was supposed to make two of them the same name. So make two of them the same name. Please just do that. So now what we want to do next is, since this is a child of this component, you copy it, drones, and let's paste it here. And let's also paste this. I'm holding Control Alt Shift and V, paste and replace. That's how it works. It's a shortcut in Figma. So I'm going to select this, I select all of them, and then hold Control Alt Shift and paste and replace. On Mac, you want to hold Shift Alt and Command paste and replace. Cool. So this is how it's going to look like. But then we need to make this guy open overlay now. So go to prototype, get this guy, turn it to this place, click open overlay, bring it down 16, 24. Yeah. Sorry, then all is already correct. So we want to play it, and it is loading. Yeah. So now, after we've done that, you can see that the open overlay is working. You click on this, it comes up. It's working, right? Now let's add the hover state. So to add hover state, you select the component here, select one component here, like this default component, and then go to click up here, the interaction. Add an interaction, go to not or click, change to while hovering. While hovering, then to be none, change to put on the hover state. Don't, this guy will automatically bring this here and put while hovering here. That's what you want, right? So you can smart animate, dissolve, whatever makes sense to you, just put it at dissolve for instance. Yeah, if dissolve, you now have to add speed So now let's try this out again. Yeah, our hover state is working. So this is beautiful, right? You click on this guy, come here. Oh, your hover state is working. So now they all have the same name. If you want to change the name, you want to change the name from here. So let me start putting names of the people that are in my head. Yeah. Don't ask me who has this name. I'm not supposed to sponsor anybody before. One last name. Let me put my mentee's name. Yeah, my guy, my junior. Yeah, so let's put this here. You see, the hover state works. It works. Everything is nice and cool. You can look at it. You can go further and add a click state. When you click, it changes to something else. However, I won't be covering that in this video. But basically, that's how you can create hover states in your drop down. So it becomes more interactive to use that. Oh, this is where my mouse is at this point in time. Stuff like that. It's really cool, really easy, straight to the point. And remember, make the name the same thing. If you change the name, while I do, you can try it out. But then, thank you guys for listening to the end of this video. My name is David. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Right. In the next video, I'll be talking about how you can make it, have on click and off click. And when I say on click, like when you click on it, how does it turn to? What does it change to? That kind of thing. But then, till then, we see you. And this is my passing words by Gucci Mane. He says that if a man does not have sauce, then he is lost. But that same man can be lost in the sauce. Think about it.